What if this is a dream? What if all of this is a dream? What if all this is a dream? And it's not even our dream? It's that dog's dream. Maybe we're just existing in his mind, and all of a sudden he'll wake up to go drink out of the toilet and we'll be gone. What would happen to us if that dog wakes up? It'll be over. Life is not that dog's dream. We live in God's world. Millie, what are you doing? I'm gonna wake up this dog. Millie. No, don't. Lindsay, it'll be okay. Don't worry. Don't wake up that dog, Millie, please. I don't want you to. Lindsay, it's okay. No, please. Just have faith, Lindsay. Have faith. No. Rise, doggy. No. Rise, doggy. Rise. You see? Believe, Lindsay.